Welcome to this demo of Agentic AI for SAP Business One. In this scenario, we'll see how AgentSphere, the digital assistant, simplifies the process of creating a AR invoice. The user logs into AgentSphere and enters or selects a prompt to create a AR invoice. The process begins with selecting the customer. The user then chooses the posting date using the date picker. Next, the document date is selected, and finally, the due date is chosen, which serves as the delivery date for this AR invoice. The user selecting the item code from a drop-down list, AgentSphere automatically provides the item description and pricing. The user then specifies the warehouse and tax code from the list. AgentSphere creates the AR invoice in SAP Business One, saving time and reducing errors. Agentic AI makes SAP Business One faster, smarter, and more intuitive with natural language and automation. Thank you for watching this demonstration of AgentSphere for AR Invoice.